I see these parrots almost every day in my local park here in Australia. At first, I thought they were just noisy and playful birds. But after spending time around them, I noticed something very unusual. But after spending time around them, I noticed something very unusual. They don't just copy human voices. These parrots actually react to human emotions. It feels like they can sense how you're feeling. When I'm quiet or stressed, they stay calm and keep their distance. Sometimes they even become silent, but when I'm relaxed or happy, they come closer. They start eating near me, watching me carefully. This is not something I read online. I see it happening right in front of me, in this park. Scientists believe parrots are highly intelligent and emotionally aware birds. That's why they can reflect human moods. Scientists believe parrots are highly intelligent and emotionally aware birds. That's why they can reflect human moods. It's amazing how connected nature can be. Even without words. Would you keep a parrot like this? Tell me in the comments.